Okay, I am ready for my site to go live. So to publish it, make sure everything is saved so it looks wonderful as I see it, and then hit publish. Now, anybody that has this URL can see my site. If you want to see how it looks, you can go to the preview. Where is the preview? Preview, right there you go. And this is what it looks like when you come to my page. And click on my hobbies, which should be an empty page. Reading would also be empty. Resume would have my resume on it. Another thing that's really cool is you can switch to mobile and you can see how it would look on a phone. Ah, pretty cool, huh? Solid. That's how you do it.